Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix account not available in your Porsche. This solution will work for the Porsche Cayenne, for the Porsche Macan, Panamera, 911, 718 Boxster and the Porsche Cayman. So if you have any of these recent models, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. Here in the left side of your steering wheel, you're gonna find this screen right here. You're gonna find all of the applications you have. Make sure you are in the home section, and then once you're here, just look for settings in your apps, and then here you're gonna find all of the settings related to your car. You're gonna find display, voice control, and audio, and so on. So scroll down until you find the Porsche Connect. Once you find it, give it a click, and then here you're gonna be right here. So if you have the Connect services active, try deactivating it like this, and then try to activate it again and try to link it with your account. If you have your account working and you're sure it's an available account, this should be working for you. So just go to your Porsche app and then try to connect it to your car. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.